81 Pontiac Trans Am. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 81 Trans Am, finished in gold with tan interior. Those are the factory correct colors of the car. It's been upgraded from the turbo to a 400 motor, which is probably the best thing they could have done. Power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, factory T-tops. And as always, you know, tell you about it, show you what I see as I go around it, and then we will drive it. So we will start here on the driver's side fender. Again, honeycomb wheels. Always look great on the car. I see a couple little minor nicks right there, but the rest of it's good. I mean, this is a very, very nice quality one repaint, and you'll see it as I go around it more. The hood fitment, that's nice. Excuse me. Gold being the original color of the car. The stickers are still on the door jamb with the codes on it. That's always cool to see. So you can see a lot of the body fender tag like stampings on that as you go around it. Also very nice to see. It looks like all the body panels are original. The floors have no rust, of course. It's all original undercoating and there's no patches. Same thing goes for the trunk pan. So we start here in the front as you go by. And I feel like always with these cars being plastic, you get a little bit of marking in a couple spots here. Two little guys right there. That's all really nice. And then right on this edge, same thing as the 79 that I had, right on this corner, just a little bit. But I mean, the rest looks really nice. And I'll flash the hood now before I go and I open it. And that all looks super nice here. Let me go pop the hood. Open it, put my phone down. There we go. Your 400. It's a YS code motor. Pretty nice factory engine compartment here. It was a previous AC car. I have a lot of the lines for it. It looks like they took it out when they put the 400 in it. And it looks like it was a factory cruise control car as well. You see the power steering and brake booster and master cylinder for the four-wheel disc brakes. Anyway, you see a stamping right there. You see a beautiful stamping right there. The trim tag is in place. I got a picture of that, which I will have on the ad. And another stamping right there. Ow. So we will keep going. I think I left off over here. You see a couple stone chips down there. And it looks like a couple bubbles right there in the paint. What that lower down there, that's super nice. I don't see anything. And it looks like maybe just a couple more little marks from stone chips on it. It must have been a gravel-owned car, gravel road nearby car, something like that. You see the VIN tag in place there. And the dash pad, which has no cracks in it. Nice windshield. Tinted glass here, tinted glass here. Your T-tops. I'll show you the top of the car before we get in. And then just on this door edge here, I noticed 4 touch-ups right there. And then that, you see there, a couple stone chips there. Again, that juts out. Your stickers are still in place. And you see the factory markings in here. Again, nice sign on a car that's all original body panels. Nice looking door panels here. Same thing for the door jamb, all the way around. Here's your interior. Front rear seat belts, of course. Seats are in great condition. There's no rips. Carpet that you see there, also clean. And I was told, I haven't verified it, it's got the chocolate brown console dash steering wheel. I was told that was 81 only. I haven't backed my research up with that yet, but that could be the case. I just thought I would let you know. I'm sure if you're a Trans Am person, you already know the answer to it. The dash pad, glove box, metal here, this all looks excellent. Super, super nice condition. All working gauges, horn works. Couple added gauges down there and a Pioneer radio. One thing I did not mention, Trans Ams are always quiet. This has a nice throaty exhaust to it, so, you know, performance-wise, awesome. Sound-wise, awesome. How 81 Trans Ams, pretty much all Trans Ams of this body style should be. Pop it open. Nice seat back. Back seats pretty much look like new. Like the factory wrinkle in there from the material. Oh, what do I do with the seatbelt? Go on, bro. I don't know what the hell I did. Anyway. Awesome. I feel like those sections there where the T-tops, those tend to show some wear because they come on and off. Oh, I have the T-top sleeves. Those are in the trunk. So let me figure out where I put the key. Here we go. And I'll show you that. I just know in this corner down right on this lower edge, a little bit of bubbling here. The inside, that's all original. I have pictures of that. So there's no, the inner quarters have not been replaced either, or even the lower there. Little touch up right there. What is that? That's a water droplet. So let me open the trunk here. It's fast. Grab the key. Here's your original trunk pan. Here's your T-top sleeves. Original quarter, and that's good. You got your factory markings in here, stuff like that. Stamp right there, stamp right there, stamp right there, and the light works. Pop that guy back in there. So this is nice to see. Again, I have a bunch of lines for the AC unit. That's going to be in the trunk for the car when it goes out, of course. See a couple like miscellaneous marks right there, and then one bubble right in the quarter there. Again, same thing. The inners are all original and not replaced either. Little touch up right there. More of that factory marking in here, which looks awesome. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. 81 Trans Am, factory colors, gold with tan interior. Upgraded 400, turbo 350, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. And yeah, ooh, some more stone chips in that corner right there. And I noticed 2 little bubbles right there. Again, the lowers though, super nice. And then as you see there, probably some more stone chips there. We are getting to that point though where we're going to fire it up and then drive it. Thank you. Did you hear the body one more time? Beautiful. All right.